Make a great choice today with the 2016 Genesis. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, first aid kit, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.